children, good morning. How are you? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Yes, fourth class children, social. It is term 2. It is term 2, lesson number 6. Natural resources, forests. Yes, natural resources, forests. Yes, just once you clap your hands for what? We have finished our term 1. Yes, clap your hands children. Yes. If you are in the school, what you used to do? Bang the benches. Yes. But now we are at home, so that just clap your hands. Okay. And start the term 2. Let us start term 2. Yes. Okay. Now, Rashi is excited. Yes. A student from Chikmagalur. She is a student from Chikmagalur, Karnataka. It is in Karnataka. Yes. Is visiting her school. Yes, her name is Maya. Her name is Maya. Maya, are you impressed with these buildings in the city? Yes. Rashi is asking to Maya. And Maya is telling, well, they are not as impressive as what we have in Chikmagalur. Yes. Rashi, really, what do you have in Chikmagalur? Maya, we have the Western Ghats, Kudremukha National Park, which is close to my place. Yes, and Maya shows the Rasi from some pictures. Wow, it is very beautiful. Yes, you must visit there in that place. Yes, which forest? Rich state in is Maya from? Yes, she is from Karnataka. Yes, and okay children, see this picture here. This is the forest. This is the forest, and here this is what the Kudremukha National Park it is. Yes, and okay children. Yes, forest as a natural resource. Natural resource. A forest is an area covered with many trees and plants growing close to each other. It is a forest is what it is, area covered with the many trees. It will not be a gap also. Yes, and the most forest grow naturally. The most forest grow naturally. No one will go and plant there one plant or pour some water. Yes, it is naturally. It is naturally. Yes, on their own. Yes, they are a home for a wide variety of animals and birds. These forests are the home for what? For whom? Yes, for animals and birds. Yes, and a natural resource is anything that people can use which comes from nature. People do not make this resource, but they use them. Yes, for example, air, water, wood, oil, iron, coal, forests are one of such important natural resource. Now let us look at some things we get from forests. Yes, you see here children, page number 2. Here you see in this picture what it is, the oxygen. Yes, the wood. Here the fruits, flowers, spices and herbs. Yes, here it is the shelter. These all will get from the forest. Yes, and oxygen, the air is constantly made fresh by the forest. Yes, as wood, as building material and for furniture also the wood is used, and to make paper, cricket bats and other articles. The wood is used in many ways. Yes, and the fruits and flowers, some are used to use as medicine, food and etc. Yes, okay children. Yes, not all the forests are same. All the forests are not same. There are many different kinds of forests. They have various types of trees and plants. They have various. They are not same. The forests are not same. Yes, the 5 main types of forest found in India are as follows. See in the page number 3, children. Here they have given the 5 types of forest found in India. They are found in India. Yes, okay children. The first one is coniferous forest. Yes, and the second one is evergreen forest. Yes, okay children. Yes, the next one is deciduous forest and the thorny and scrub forest. Yes, tidal forests. These are the 5 main forests in our India. Yes, okay children. Coniferous forests. It is the location where we find this. Yes, the coniferous forests are found in the region such as the Himalaya and Nilgiri mountains. These regions are quite cold. They are very cold. It is also snows on the Himalayas. Yes, the features. The trees are pointed and narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. See here children, the forest which we find in Himalayas, the coniferous forests are called, they are very top. They are point out and like this will be there, the tree. Yes, it is. It is the narrow at the top. It is narrow at the top. Yes, and it will be wide. Here. Yes, this prevents snow from remaining on their branches. The snow will be not able to remain on the branches. Yes, the leaves are like needles, so they do not collect snow. They are like, the leaves are like needles, so that the snow will be not there on this. It can't stay on this, it will fall. Yes, for example, pine. Yes, and okay children. Yes, it is cedar and it is an example of that. Yes, of that forest. Yes, okay. The next one is evergreen forest. Evergreen forest is the location where it is. Evergreen forests are found in the hot and wet region of India. The hot and the wet region of India. There is a plenty of rain and sunshine on the western Ghats. Yes, the hills of the northeastern India and on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You can find this forest. Which one? The evergreen forest. Yes, the features of this evergreen forest are, these trees never shed their leaves completely and always look green. They will not shed their leaves. Means the leaves will not fall down and the new this thing, that it will be evergreen. It look always green. Yes, and they are called the evergreen forests. Yes, example, eucalyptus and rosewood. Yes, you have seen this eucalyptus. This eucalyptus. Yes, eucalyptus is used for medicine. Yes children. Okay. The next one is deciduous forests and the location. These forests grow in the peninsular plateau region of India. They are also found along the foothills of Himalayas. This forest is found in the foothills of Himalayas and also in the peninsular plateau region. Yes, and they are also found along the foothills of the Himalayas. Yes, the features of this trees. The trees in this forest live and grow in the different kinds of weathers. These trees have broad flat leaves. It has broad and flat leaves. Flat. It will be very flat. Yes, they require lots of water. Hence, they lose their leaves during the dry season. Yes, gulmohar and teak. Yes, okay children. Yes, the next one is thorny and scrub forests. This location, where it is, the thorny and the scrub forest are found in the hot and dry areas. In the hot and dry areas. Yes, these include the deserts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. The parts of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. We can find this forests. Yes, and the features. The rays of the sun are very strong in these regions. The rays of the sun will fall very and strong in these regions. there is very little rainfall, so the trees and plants need to live with less water. Yes, they have the leaves that have become thorns and make sure they do not lose water. Their roots are long because they have to, okay, penetrate deep into the soil to reach for water. Yes, okay, children. Example, Babul and Kikar. Yes, okay, children. Yes, the next one is tidal forests. Yes, the location where we can find this forest. These forests are found where the land is flooded by seawater, such as the rain deltas of West Bengal. Yes, the features, the roots of these trees grow upwards to come out of the water. They do this to get enough air. Yes, for the tidal forest. You see here, children, how it is. Yes, okay, children. Example, it is Sundari and Kiora. Yes, okay, children.